welcome back to the channel. I'm excited for today's video because I picked up a few Amazon organization items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. These are going to help make your home a little bit more functional, organized, and help your space be clutter-free. You guys know I love to have more of a clutter-free home. It just helps with your anxiety and just your peace of mind. So we're going to go ahead and jump into today's video.
Okay, so this one isn't super unique or anything. This is something that a lot of you probably already have, but we did not. So we have all of our bathroom or our shower bathtub products out. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up a fun caddy to style in my bathroom that matches my bathroom and put all of our products in there so they're not all over the tub and on the floor when we need them. So we're going to go ahead and install this. This was super easy to install. It is from Amazon. So after I cleaned off the surface that I'm going to apply the adhesive, I'm applying the adhesive now. So yes, I was kind of hesitant because where I wanted to place this is above our head in the bathtub, and I was concerned about it, but I did read in their details that this caddy will hold up to 20 pounds. So with our products, I figured we'd be totally fine. It's not going to fall off. I read great reviews about it. So I do recommend this. I think it's so stylish and cute in our bathroom. And then it comes with these little hooks so you can go ahead and attach your loofahs or whatever you want to hang on there. So I thought that was really cute and functional since everything will be together on this caddy. Okay, so we are one of those people that when we get in the shower or the bath, we just throw our clothes on the floor and then I will pick them up and take them to the laundry room. That's why I went ahead and picked up this mesh pop-up hamper, something that I don't have to keep on the floor and take up any space in our bathroom. I can actually put it on the door and we can get in a better habit of throwing our clothes in that laundry basket. So it's really easy to install. You just put the hook over the door that you want and you can put it on the inside or the outside. But here in the bathroom on this door, I just went ahead and left it on the outside because it's a bathroom and I don't mind it showing. It has adjustable straps and then it also has a bottom feature where you can unzip it and allow the dirty clothes just to pop through into your wash machine, into your hands. It just comes out the bottom so you don't have to reach in the basket and pull everything out. So I thought this was a fun little add-on into our bathroom just to keep it more organized and clean. Okay, here's another affordable and easy way to maximize your space. We personally keep our iron and our ironing board in our laundry room. I usually just put the ironing board on the side of the dryer. So I picked up another over-the-door organizer, and this is an ironing board and iron caddy. Just making these small changes throughout my house are going to help keep things a little bit more organized. So some of these things you might have heard of or used yourself, but personally we haven't. So I am happy that you guys are organizing with me today. I hope that some of the items that I show you next will be some new items that you've never seen before. So I'm really excited about these. These are something that I have never personally seen before. They are magnetic cable organizer clips. They can organize your cords. They can be used as magnets on your refrigerator. These came in a pack of assorted colors. I really like them. I think they're so nifty to use, and I'm going to show you a few different ways around the house that we use these. So not only can you keep your cords organized and neat at home, you can also use these for traveling so you don't have a bunch of messy cords in your bag. So you can also use them for putting cords together. So if you have a lot of cords like in your office or by your TV, you can go ahead and use these and kind of put your cords together and just make them look a little bit neater so they're not all over the place. So I did that here in my office because the cords were all over the place. I would trip on them and everything. So it's not an aesthetically pleasing look or anything, but it does do the job. So I have been eyeing these for a while and I finally made the plunge and picked some up. This is a 4-pack of bamboo kitchen drawer dividers. So they're adjustable drawer organizers. They allow you to just organize your big drawers, your spacious drawers a little bit better. They'll have individual sections so you can maximize the use of your bigger drawers in your kitchen. Okay, I have seen these around and I want to see if this is something that is for us. So I'm giving it a try. This is the compact space saving tray for flatware and silverware. So again, these are one of those things that are going to maximize your kitchen drawer space. And we actually had a drawer on the other side that's for our spatulas, and all of our spatulas don't fit in there because we had some other organizers in there. So after I put the silverware in this new tray, I'm going to go ahead and move those organizers to this drawer just to have a better use out of this drawer and allow the other drawer to have more space for the rest of the spatulas. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these acrylic organizer bins. So this is a 4-pack, and I wanted to pick these up because I wanted some organizers that can hold our fruit. So whenever I go grocery shopping, I can go ahead, wash my fruit, and just throw them in there. So whenever the kids or anybody wants fruit, they can just pull them out and take some from there and put it in a bowl. So I thought this was really cool. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I think it's perfect for making your home more organized, and you're not going to have the messy plastic in there from the grocery stores. Okay, so if you're anything like us and you have a collection of stuffed animals like my daughter does, this will really come in hand. It is a mesh hammock that you can use to store all of your stuffed animals. And so I just decided to put it in the corner right here, so whenever Ava wants to grab one of her stuffies to go to bed at night, she can. So now we headed to my car where I wanted to add a few organizers in there, and I did pick up this 4-pack of hooks. These hooks are for your car seat headrest, and they just help hang bags, purses, your kids' backpacks on there so they are not on the floor or in the seats and they're just out of the way. So this next organizer is one of my favorites because if you're like me and you don't have anything in your car right now, but you go to pick up groceries and you throw everything in the trunk. Well, my groceries roll around. It is super stressful because I can literally hear my milk tossing around in the back of my car, and I'm always trying to drive super careful from the grocery store. So I was really excited to finally pick this up. I have known about this car trunk organizer for a very long time. I just haven't made the purchase until now. It also has Velcro underneath it, so it doesn't slide around in your trunk. I don't need anything else sliding around in the back of my trunk. That is the purpose of these. It also is expandable, so it has 3 compartments right now, but you can adjust it to have 2 compartments or 1. It's whatever works for you. This is really good to put like some of your soccer balls and basketballs in if you take your kids to the park or if they are in sports. So I like to keep water bottles in my car just in case of an emergency. And it is really hot here in Arizona. It's like 110 degrees right now, so it is really good to keep some water on you just in case when you're out on the road.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. The bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I tried to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you.
So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you got some organization ideas for your home. I hope this video helped you in some kind of way. It's really awesome that you can make small changes throughout your home to make it more functional for your family and just more organized and less messy. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know in the comments so I can make more of these. If you can give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm faithful like a blind girl. I'm faithful.